Hi, hello, good morning, dear students. Welcome back to RB online class. In the last class, we have completed our fourth chapter, that is simple equations. In that, we have solved many problems and many exercises based on lines, angles, equations, how to make an equation and how to solve, how to find out the unknown variables. We have studied in previous chapter, that is simple equation. In this, we will start a new chapter, that is fifth chapter, lines and angles. So this is an introduction with you students. We'll see exercise later. In this, first line. What is line? See here. This is A, this one is B. This is a line. The point extending from both these sides. See here, it is also extending, B is also extending, and A is also extending. So the points, 2 points extends from both these sides is nothing but a line. So here, don't get confused friends, here A and B. A and B, 2 points, 2 fixed points, and the distance between these 2 fixed points is nothing but line segment. This one is line segment. Okay, the difference between line and line segment, we don't want line segment. See here, we want to see line. So here, why I'm saying this difference means, see here. The line is extending from both the sides and the line segment stops. Here, the 2 endpoints. Okay, the distance between these 2 endpoints is nothing but line segment. Understood? What is line? Line is extending from both the sides. So this is a line. Next, an angle. See here. This is vertex O. OA is one ray and OB is another ray. 2 different rays meet at a same vertex, same point. This is nothing but an angle. This is an angle. Okay. 2 rays from a initial or starting point. Initial means starting point. So 2 rays meet at a one point, means that is O. So this is nothing but an angle. 2 rays form an angle. Understood? So this is an angle. In angle, there are many types of angle. Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and so on. So we'll see what is acute angle first. See here, acute means acute angle less than 90 degree. Here, acute angle means less than 90. Less than 90 means 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. Less than 85, up to 85, 89. Up to 89 is the acute angle. For example, see this one. This is angle, 30 degree angle. This angle is acute angle or obtuse angle. Yeah, 30 means less than 90, so this is acute angle. So the angle which is less than 90 degree, that is acute angle. Next, obtuse angle, greater than 90 degree. Greater than 90 degree. For example, like this 120, 110 or so on. This angle is obtuse angle, means the angle which is greater than 90 degree is nothing but obtuse angle. Next, 110, 100, 110, 105, 130 and so on. This is nothing but obtuse angle. Next, right angle. But obtuse angle is less than 180 degree. Remember students, less than 180 degree. Because next comes to right angle, yes, straight angle. Right angle is nothing but exact equals to 90 degree. Means here, straight angle. Angle is straight. The line is perpendicular to this line. So this is a right angle. That is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Straight, sorry, right angle. The one line is perpendicular to another line, so that is a right angle. Next, straight angle equals to 180 degree. See here, this one is, this angle is nothing but, this angle is nothing but 180 degree, that is right angle. See here, this is also a right angle. Okay, straight line is nothing but right angle. Next, reflex angle. Reflex angles means greater than 180 degree. 270 like this, less than 360. So reflex angles reversible. See like this. Okay. So this is a reflex angle. Understood? Hope you understood this one. Once again I will repeat. What is line? Two points extend from both the sides. That is nothing but a line. Next, angle, initial point means two rays. See here. One ray, another ray. This forms an angle. Next, in this angle, there are many types of angle. First one is acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Means 30, 40, 50, 45 like this. These are the acute angle, less than 90 degree. Next, obtuse angle greater than 90 degree. Okay, 100, 110, 120, 105. These are the obtuse angle. Right angle exact equals to 90 degree. That is nothing but a right angle. Okay, line is perpendicular to another line. One line is perpendicular to another line. This forms a right angle. Okay, next, straight angle. Yeah, straight angle 180 degree. So this is a straight angle. Next, reflex angle greater than 180 degree. Okay, hope you understood this all. Next, in this, another types of angle, that is complementary angles and supplementary. There are another two types of angles. So what is complementary angles? See here, the sum of two angles is 90 degree. The sum of two angles. For example, take one angle that is 60 degree and another angle 30 degree. So what is the sum of these two angles? 60 plus 30 is, yeah, 90 degree. So this angle, so this is complementary angle. The sum of two angle is 90 degree. For example, see here angle is 30 degree and this is one is 60 degree, one is 30 degree. So this is complementary angle. Yes, because the sum of two angles 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. So this is complementary angle. For example, they will ask like these problems. One is 45, another one is x. So find the value of x. One is find the complement of x. So 45 plus x equals to what we have to take here? 90 degree, because they are complement of this 45. So complement is nothing but degrees. The sum of two angles is 90 degrees. So keep x as it is. 90 minus 45. 90 minus 45 is 45. So the complement of this angle is also 45. 45 plus 45 is nothing but 90. Understood? Complement, if they will ask complement, so we have to take 90. If they will ask a supplement, we'll explain. No. Hope you understood this one. For example, this is 50 degree. Okay. Write the complement of 50. So what we have to write? 40, because 50 plus 40 is nothing but 90 degrees. So the complement of 50 degree is 40 degree. Understood? Next, supplementary. Supplementary angles. Here, what is complementary? The sum of two angles is equals to 90 degree. Here, sum of two angles is equals to 180 degree. Sum of two angles is equals to 180 degree. That is supplementary angle. For example, 110. One angle is 110 and another angle is 70 degree. So 110 plus 70 is nothing but 180 degree. The sum of two angles. The sum of two angles. The angle one is 110 and angle 2 is 70. The sum of these two angles is 180. So this is nothing but supplementary angle. See here. There are two angles on a straight line. Straight line always form a supplementary angle, that is 180 degree. Here one is 120. This angle is 120 and this angle is x. We don't know the value of this angle. Okay. So what we have to do is x plus 120 is equals to 180 degree. Why we are taking this 180? Because this one is supplementary angle. So we have to take the sum of two angle is 180 degree. So keep x as it is. Take this 120 to the RHS side. It becomes minus 120. X is equals to 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. So the value of x is here 60. 120 plus 60 is 180 degree. So this form a straight line, means straight angle. That is supplementary angle or straight angle, whatever you have to say. So this is nothing but supplementary angle. The sum of two angle is 90 degree is nothing but complementary angle, and the sum of two angle is 180 degree, that is supplementary angles. Remember students, 90 means smallest angle, so that is complementary. Complementary, smallest angle, supplementary, biggest angle. Remember? Understood? Next. Next topic. Adjacent angle. To find the adjacent angle, we have some three properties. Let's see. Adjacent angle, common vertex. To find the adjacent angle, we have to see these three: common vertex, second point, common arm, third point, non-common arms on either side. Non-common arms on either side. See here, let's take an example. This is a diagram A, B, C. Okay, whether this diagram is adjacent, these angles are adjacent or not, let's see. In this, what we have to check first, we have to check whether the two angles, one angle, two angle. There are two angles in this figure. We have to check whether the common vertex. Here, what is vertex? The point is vertex. This one is vertex. For this angle, the vertex is same, and for this angle, the vertex is same. So here, the vertex is a common. So common vertex, yes. In this figure, the vertex is a common O. That is, we have to take a name. We have to write O. So common vertex, yes, for both the angles AOB, angle AOB and angle BOC. The common is here O. O is a common vertex. So next, yeah, this rule satisfied. Common arms. Arms is nothing but array, side. Okay, common arms. Arms is nothing but ray. So for this angle, the common ray is OB. Understood? See this angle 1 and angle 2. See angle 1, in this OB is a common and angle 2, OB is a common. So here, what is common arms? Yes, this is also satisfied, common arm. Next here, non-common arms are on either side. Means, see here, OA is a non-common, OC is a non-common because this is a separate and this one is separate. So what the line is saying, see here, non-common means OA, OB, arms on either side. Yes, the OA and OC are either side of this two angles. So this is nothing but an adjacent angle. This is an adjacent angle. So we have to see the adjacent angle. We have to see these three rules. First, we have to check whether the diagrams have a common vertex, whether the diagrams have a common arms, whether the diagrams have a non-common arm on the other side. Let's take another example for this. See here. Uh, See here, same A, B, C. First angle is AOC. AOC. This big angle. Don't see this line. Okay, AOC is the first angle. Next, the second angle, take this one. A, angle AOB. Don't take AOB and BOC. Okay, we are taking first angle is the big one and second angle is this smallest one. So this is first angle, this big angle is first and this one is second angle. So for this we have to satisfy this rule. We have to check whether this satisfies the rules. Common vertex. Yeah, in this there is a, for these two angles the common vertex is O. So yes. Next, common arm. Common arm. See here for OAC. See this diagram OAC. Don't draw this line. AOC. For AOC angle, which is common, means OA and OA ray and OC ray. There are two rays. And for angle AOB, draw this angle AOB. For this OA and OB, there are two rays in this diagram and here two rays. Which ray is common here? OA is common. OA here also OA and here also OA. So OA is the common. So here, yes, common ray, that is this rule. But here, see, last point. Remember last point? Non-common arms on either side. Non-common arms means here non-common is OB and OC. Only common is OA because we are taking a one angle, that is big one AOC, and another angle AOB. We are not taking BOC angle. Remember here. Okay. So here OA is the common vertex. Yeah, this satisfies. Next, non-common arms means OB and OC either side of this common arm. No, because only one side, OB is also one side and O is also one side. Okay, here what they said, non-common arms are other sides of the common arms? No. So, if one rule is not satisfied, then whole angle is not an adjacent angle. Understood? Okay, see here, if these 3 points satisfy the diagram, then only the angles are adjacent. Otherwise, the angle is not an adjacent angle. So this one is not an adjacent angle. Understood? So this is all about adjacent angle. Next, linear pair. Here, the next topic is linear pair. Pair means jodi. Okay, two. Linear pair. Here also same, like supplementary angle. See here. One angle is 30 degree, another angle is 150 degree. So that is the sum of two angles is 180 degree. This is linear pair. Linear pair means, see, this is one pair and this one is another pair. Okay. This is one angle, this is one angle. There are two pairs, one pair means two angles, one pair. So linear pair is nothing but the sum of two angle is 180 degree. For example, here also same linear pair. The sum of angle is 180 degree. Sum of two angles, no, sum of angle is 180 degree. That is a linear pair. Understood? For example, take this one, AT, and here x1 angle is 80, one angle is x. So x plus 80 is equals to 180 degree. Because here linear pair. Linear pair means the sum of angle is 180 degree. So we have to find the x value. X is equals to 180 minus 80. 180 minus 80 is 100. So what is the value of x here? 100. So this is a linear pair. Sum of angle is equals to 180 degree is a linear pair. Understood? Next, vertically opposite angle. Here, vertically opposite angles, intersecting lines. See here. These two are intersecting line meeting at the point O. This is a intersecting line. These angles is vertically opposite angle. This angle is vertically opposite angles. Means vertically opposite angles are equal here. See here, these single lines, these are the opposite angles. 1 and 2 are opposite angles. 3 and 4 are opposite angles. Opposite angles are always equal. So this is vertically opposite angle. Vertically. See here, 3 and 4 are vertically opposite and 1 and 2 are vertically opposite. So two intersecting lines make 4 angles. So this is vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. Understood? So this is vertically opposite angle. See here, vertically opposite angle. For example, see this line. Okay, here there are four angles. In this, one angle is given 30 degree and another angle is given here 110 degree. 150 degree. Because on straight line there are two angles, so 150 plus 30 is 180 degree. Straight line always form a supplementary angle, that is 180 degree. So here in this they not given two angles, x and y. Okay, they not given the value of x and y. What we have to take the value of x here? Yes, that is 30 degree. Because x is equals to, 30 is equals to x means vertically opposite angles. These two are vertically opposite angles. So the value of x is 30 because they are same. 30 is equals to x, x is equals to 30 because two angles are vertically opposite angles. Next, yeah, what is the value of y? Yes, y equals to 150 degree because vertically opposite angle. Y is equals to 150 degree. These are the vertically opposite angles. Hope you understood this one, vertically opposite angle. Next, coming to the next part, pair of lines. Pair means join two pair of lines. Means two lines is one thing. So in this, first intersecting line and transversal line. In this first one, intersecting line, intersecting lines. Next, second one, transversal line. Transversal lines. See here, first what is intersecting line? We know that intersecting lines, two lines meet at a point, same point, common point, that is nothing but intersecting line. Line L and line M. See here, line L and line M meet at a point O, that is nothing but intersecting line or intersecting point. This point is known as intersecting point or intersect point. So we call it as intersect point. So line L and line M meet at a point O, that is nothing but intersecting line. These two lines are intersecting lines and this point is intersect point. Understood? So this is intersecting line. Next, transversal line. See here, two lines L and M. There are two lines. These lines are parallel lines. So there are two lines. One line is transferred to this one, that is P. So line P is transversal for line L and line M. This is transversal line for L and M. Okay. This is transferring. Transferring from which lines? Two lines, that is line L and line M. So this is nothing but transversal line. P is a transversal line of line L and line M. Here we know that intersecting point, two lines cut at a point or two lines meet at a point. This is nothing but intersecting point and these are the intersecting lines. Understood? Next. Here, angle made by transversal. Angle made by transversal means in this they have many angles. We'll see in this many angles. First, angle made by transversal. Angle transversal line. See here. In this, we'll draw a diagram. This is a transversal line. Already just now explained what is transversal line. So the line 1 is a L, M, and this line is P. P is transferring from this line. So here they form how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 angles in this. We'll see which are those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are 8 angles. In this we will see vertically opposite angle, interior angle, exterior angle, adjacent angle and many angles in this figure. We'll see. Okay. So here this is transversal line. Two lines passing. Sorry, P is passing from these two lines. That is transversal line. Okay, angle made by transversal line. In this first one, interior angle. Interior angles. Exterior angles. Interior angles, exterior angles, corresponding angles. Third one. See here, interior. The name itself, interior, inside. So this is 1, 2 and 7, 8 outside these two lines, outside angles of this line. See here, interior lines, sorry, interior angles means inside of this figure. This is the inside part of this lines. This is the inside part. So in this angle, in this part, what we are observing, there are 4 angles. That is angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. There are 4 angles inside these two lines, so that is nothing but an interior angle. Interior means inside of this diagram. Here there are 2 lines. Okay, there are 2 lines. In that, the inside these 2 lines there are 4 angles, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 4 angles, so this is an interior angles. So angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are interior. Means, for example, take another example. Okay, the line is passing from three lines. So in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 interior angles in this figure because these are inside the diagram. These angles are inside of this line. These are the exterior, outside of the diagram. So the angles which are inside the, so that is nothing but interior angles and outside exterior angle, right? Exterior angle, angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. Outside of this line, so this is nothing but exterior angles. So interior angle means inside the diagram and exterior means outside. So these are the interior and exterior angles. Next, coming to this third part, that is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means, see, 1, 5. See, I will draw once again here. These transversal line, same side. The line is passing through here. Transversal line. This line is transversal line. Same angle, same side of the transversal line. That is 1 and 5. Here also same. 1 and 5, and another one is 2, 6. Yeah, same here. 2, 6. These are the corresponding angles. Corresponding angle is transversal line, same side. See here, 1 and 5, same side of the angle, and 2 and 6, same, and 4 and 8, same side, and 3 and 7, same side of the transversal line. That is nothing but a corresponding angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 1, sorry, angle 1 is corresponding to angle 5 and angle 2 is corresponding to angle 6. Next, angle 4 is corresponding to angle 8. Angle 4 is corresponding to angle 8 and angle 3 is corresponding to angle 7. See here, corresponding means same side of this transversal line. See here, 1 and 5, 2 and 6. 4 and 8 and 3 and 7. 1 is corresponds to 5, 2 is corresponds to 6, 4 is corresponds to 8, 3 is corresponds to 7. So these are the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means a transversal line, same side, The angles are corresponding angles. Next, interior alternate angles. Alternate angles in this interior and exterior angles. Interior alternate. First we'll see alternate angle. Alternate. Alternate, yeah. Alternate is one by one, one by one. Alternate, like Coco. We'll play Coco. Okay, one face is here in this side, one face this side. So this is alternate. We are sitting in Coco players. Players are sitting at alternate angle, alternate way. So this is alternate angle. In these angles, there are two types. That is, one is interior alternate angles, one is exterior alternate angle. Let's see what is alternate angle first. See here. On one line, one is this side and one is this side. Alternate angle. These are the here. For example, okay, these are alternate angles. One is here, one is this side. One is line, transversal line. One is left side, one other angle is right side. Another with left side and another with right side. So these are alternate angles. One is left side, another one is right side. And next one is left side and another one is right side. So like Coco players. Okay. So interior alternate angles. See here. We'll draw this diagram here. 4 and 6. See here. Interior means inside. Don't see outside angles. Inside, that is 4 and 6. Interior alternate angles. First angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 6 are interior alternate. Angle 4 is alternate to angle 6. Next here, yes, angle 3 is alternate to angle 5. And angle 3 is alternate to angle 5. So these two are alternate angles because angle 4 is left side of the transversal line and angle 6 is right side of the transversal line. But these angles are inside of this diagram. Inside means interior angles. Understood? Next, exterior. See in this, which is exterior alternate angle. One is exterior to here. One is here. One is exterior to 7. So exterior alternate angle. Exterior alternate angle. First angle is angle 1 alternate to angle 7 and angle 2 is alternate to angle 8. Because one angle is here, left side of the transversal line, another angle is right side of the transversal line. So these are the exterior alternate angles. Hope you understood what is alternate. Alternate means like Coco. Okay, one is left side and another one is right side of the transversal line. Interior means inside, exterior means outside. Interior angles, same side of the transversal. Same side means same side of the transversal. Interior means inside. Remember, students. Okay. Here, transversal of parallel lines. Last topic here, transversal of parallel lines. Transversal of parallel lines. We know that what are parallel lines? Train track. L, M. They never meet. Okay, the distance between two always equal. They move in a same direction. So these are the parallel lines. They never meet. Okay, so L and M are parallel lines. Transversal of parallel lines. On these parallel lines, the transversal line. See here. Transversal line. This P is a transversal line of parallel lines. Here, in this, there are 3 points. Corresponding angles are equal in this. Yes. First we'll write all points. See here, this is two lines are parallel. On this parallel line, the P is passing, that is transversal line. So we'll see what is the points in this. Corresponding angles are equal in this. Corresponding angles are equal. Second point. Alternate angles also same. Alternate angles are equal. Next, the third point is interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Interior angles on same side of transversal are supplementary. Here are supplementary. Supplementary means the sum of two angles are 180 degree. Okay. See here, transversal of parallel lines on these parallel lines, the line is transversal. So in these corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding means I explain. See here, these two angles. If this angle is 60 degree, then this angle is also 60 degree. On only a transversal of parallel lines. On only parallel lines we will see these properties. One is corresponding angles. Just now I explained what is corresponding angles. Same side of the transversal line. So corresponding angles are equal means if the angle is here 60 degree, if they will give here like x, what is they will say what is the value of x? Here the value of x is 60 because here these two angles are corresponding angles on a parallel line. Transversal parallel lines. So this is nothing but these two angles, corresponding angles are equal. So if the value of this is 60, then the value of x also 60 because the two angles are equal here. Next, alternate angles are equal. Yes, I explained. Alternate means if this is 60 here, the alternate angle of this is this one. Okay, exterior angles means this comes here. So the alternate, if this one is 60, then this also a 60. Alternate exterior angles. And if the see here, if this one is 50, then this is also 50 because alternate interior angles. Alternate angles are equal. Okay, on only transversal of parallel lines. Keep in mind. Next, interior angles on the same side transversal is a supplementary means. See here, the last point. These are the parallel lines on this transversal same side of this. See here, if this angle is 110, so this angle 70 degree because the sum of two angles are supplementary. Supplementary angle means the sum of two angles is 180 degree. So interior angles on the same side of transversal. Interior means see here, this is exterior. Don't take this one. Take this one. Interior angles of same side. See, take these two. Same side. Interior angles of same side of the transversal. If this one is 110, so this one is 70 degree because the sum of two angles are supplementary means 180 degree. Understood? So this is an, hope you understood, students. This is an introduction with you. For the next class, we will see exercise 5.1. Okay. In this, we have studied line. What is line? Yes, line extends from both the sides. Okay. They never have end point. Next, an angle. Angles form with two rays and with the starting or initial points, that is vertex. And we will studied in these angles: acute angles, supplementary angles, right angle, reflex angle, straight angles, complementary angles. The sum of two angles are 90 degrees, nothing but complementary angles, and the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, supplementary angle, adjacent angle, and we have saw many properties in this introduction class. Okay, so hope you understood. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.